Welcome home to 5710 Cabbage Spring Road in Mount Airy, Maryland. We have an open house here every day with just 2-hour notice. Go to www.5710cabagespring.com and sign up today for your open house. This home is a spectacular contemporary home and is surrounded by horse farms and partial woods. This impressive 7,700 square foot home has amazing panoramic views. There's a full 3,000 square foot basement that's partially finished. It's walkout and has ample windows to make it a bright and open space. And it's available for you to make it however you want. Plus, there's room in the basement for a wine cellar, a movie theater, or an impressive man cave. You have to see the 3-story fireplace in person to appreciate how majestic it is. And with all the windows and the doors out to the wraparound deck, it's a wonderful home for entertaining and enjoying all the picturesque and panoramic farm views. The living room is an incredible space with natural hardwood floors, a 20-foot plus vaulted ceiling, and so much open space. The kitchen is the heart of this home, with all the stainless steel appliances, tiled floors, a double oven wall unit, and 2 deep sinks with garbage disposals. The kitchen also has light bright countertops and tons of cabinet space and a spacious walk-in pantry that makes this kitchen fully functional. The kitchen overlooks the dining room area and the living room. Be sure and check out the game room that is the full width of the house, with doors that open up to the wraparound deck and a granite countertop. The second floor offers 5 large, spacious bedrooms, an office, and gorgeous views from all the windows. The private master suite is located at the opposite end of an interior breezeway that also overlooks the living room and the dining room. The master suite offers vaulted ceilings, new carpet, a walkout balcony, double sinks, granite countertop, whirlpool bath, and a large separate shower and a separate water closet. This rare trophy house was completely overbuilt. All the mechanical and HVAC systems are newly serviced with a full 1-year home warranty. A new roof was installed in October 2018. There's a hidden private drive that provides complete seclusion. The exterior wraparound deck provides the ultimate space for entertaining friends and family or just having a nice quiet barbecue. This house can be a complete showplace with all your personal touches. To learn more about this spectacular home, go to www.5710cabagespring.com. You can also schedule a time for your own private open house of this amazing home. www.5710cabagespring.com. Stop on by.